Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from TCS. TCS is sending survey link mail. What is this survey link mail? I'll show screenshot in this video and I'll explain. And why they are sending this survey mail? Is it mandatory to fill this survey link? Will they conduct NQT exam based on this survey form? Will they schedule direct interview based on this survey form? Everything we will discuss. Also in this video I'll tell you how to fill this survey form and I'll tell you explain step by step. So watch full video for better understanding. Let's get started. First let me show the screenshot of the survey mail. So this is the survey mail. So title is survey on TCS NQT job listing platform. So this candidate received this survey mail on 11 January 2022. Okay, so here you can see, here they are saying request you to kindly fill the below 5-minute survey to collect your employment detail, which will be used for your various job applications on the NQT portal. So here they gave a link. So once you'll click on that link, then you will find this page. Here you need to click here start. Once you'll click here start, then here you need to fill this form, and I think you can easily fill this form. Here you need to provide your percentage of secondary exam. Secondary exam means your 10th. So here you need to provide your percentage of your 10th. After that your year of passing of 10th. Okay, after that here you need to provide the board of secondary exam. Okay, so after that here you need to enter the percentage, and those things you can easily fill, I think. Okay, after that once you will fill all the things, here you need to enter your NQT ID. Please note, here you need to enter your NQT ID. Okay, so you need to enter your NQT ID. So what is the motive of this form? So once you will enter your NQT ID, then they will collect your all informations, like from your they will collect all the informations of your NQT score. Okay, after that what they will do, they will send your NQT exam NQT marks and your 10th and 12th marks with the top companies. After that what they will do, if top companies will find that your marks, you have good marks, good NQT marks, then they can directly schedule an interview for you. Okay, so they will schedule an interview, and they will what TCS will do, TCS will send all the details of your all the details with the top companies. Then those top companies may send you direct interview, and sometimes they may conduct a separate aptitude exam also. No issue, they can conduct, but generally what they will do, because TCS NQT is a trusted platform, so a lot of companies trust on the TCS NQT exam. So there are top companies here, you can see, like TCS, Public, Sapient, Genon, Stack, Tradence, TVS Motor, Mphasis, UTS, Global, and much more. There are a lot of companies who trust on TCS NQT exam. So they will schedule a direct interview with you if they find you have good score in the TCS NQT exam. So if you have good NQT score, then you must fill this form. That's why I'm saying you must fill this form. Okay, and also if you will have good NQT score and you are rejected in the TCS interview in last 6 months, then TCS will also schedule a interview with you. Okay, they will not conduct any NQT exam for you if you already have a good score in the TCS NQT exam. Okay, you don't need to write NQT exam again if you have good NQT score. So after that just fill this form, they will schedule a interview with you. Okay, and one more thing, the question is, will they conduct NQT exam after filling this survey form? No, this survey form is different. Okay, so to give NQT exam you need to apply for TCS NQT. That's a different thing. Okay, so please don't confuse with the NQT exam. So if you will fill this survey form, then it does not mean then you will receive a NQT exam link. Okay, so NQT exam link is totally different with this. Okay, yeah, so if you still have any doubt, you can ask in comment box, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Also Telegram link is in the description box, you can join. Thank you for watching this video.